Bienvenue sur Chanel Jeff Denis 56.
How you doing? My name is Jeff Denis. In this video today, I'm going to teach you the simple past of the verb to be, how you can conjugate the verb to be in simple past in Creole. So, dans vidéo aujourd'hui, nous allons montrer qui jan ou ka conjuguer verbe être dans temps simple passé en Creole. Let's get started. The verb to be guy has two forms. The first one is was. The second one is were. Which one is plural? Which one is singular? Let's see some example. Was is singular when we talk about one thing. For example, one person, one book, one laptop. It's singular. Were is plural when we talk about several things, such as when we talk about 2 pens, 3 pens, 3 books, 3 copybooks, we talk about plural. Là nous parler de un seul bagay, on va utiliser was parce que c'est singulier. Par exemple, on va parler de yon cahier, yon plume, là ça m'a utiliser was parce que c'est singulier. Là m'a parler de 2 bagay ou bien 3 bagay, 5 bagay en créole, là ça m'a utiliser were parce que c'est pluriel. Let's conjugate the verb to be in the past tense in Creole. I already know this for you. You can use was only for singular. For example, I was, he was, she was, it was. I was, he was, she was, it was. Let me translate right now in Creole. Mwen te, li te, li te, li te. When we say it, guy, it in Creole has 2 functions. Let me translate also in Creole. Là nous gagne it Simon, yo utilise pour 3 bagay 3 mots ça. Here nous te dit nous utiliser pour nom masculin, les m'a parlé de un garçon. She a moins utilisé pour un nom féminin, les m'a parlé de une fille. It là moins utilisé pour nature. OK, yon non neutre. OK, moins utilisé. Mais en Creole, in Creole we translate three in Creole like li. Nous traduit 3 bagages ça en créole comme li. Let's see word for the plural. Alright? Let me include was in a sentence. For example, if I say I was excited. Excited signifie content, heureux. Okay? Moi t'es vraiment content. I was excited. Okay? Let's see some example. Let's conjugate the verb to be in past simple with were. Right now, guys, we can use only were with 3 subject pronouns. You, we, they. Okay, when we talk about plural. For example, you were, we were, they were. Once more again, you were, we were, they were. When we talk about plural. Why not let me translate in Creole. Li te, nou te, yo te. You were, we were, they were. Ou te, yo, nou te, yo te. Thanks, guys, for being watching this. I think, guys, you enjoyed this school. If you would like to see more videos, don't forget to leave a comment and also to subscribe with my channel. Thanks for being watching me.